welcome back. Okay, this is the outer layer, and I started one at the end of the last video. So I've joined up 3, and I'm just threading up the last one now, and then we'll finish it off. So the last 12 are going on. This suncatcher is a fairly densely packed one, not what I would normally do, but I'm really quite happy with the way it has turned out. And for my next suncatcher, I must get away from pink. Maybe I'll go for a purple. Blue again, or a teal. Or a peach. Green. Oh, you can get some amazing greens. Let's go green next time. Okay. That's our strand. Let's find our hole. And there it is. I'm just going to widen it just a tad. Just a smidgen. Smidge, smidge, smidge. This hole is just a little bit tight. Okay, so what we do now is snip off one thread. Okay, find our little gold bead. In here somewhere. There you are, there you are. Come on. There you are. Gotcha. Nope. Gotcha. Okay, put our little gold bead on, our little finishing bead. Now a bit of glue on that knot. Just see if I can see where it is. Okay. Okay, now we trim off the threads and thread back into our needle if we can find it. There it is. I swear I ought to have a magnetic plate next to me magnetic something so I can stick my needles to. So I've lost them in my chair in the lounge when I've been beading, and that can be painful. Okay, let's try and find this hole. I think that might be it. Yep. It feels like it. Yep. We're going through several beads, I think. Yep. We've gone through about 5 beads. That's enough. And that hole being just a little bit tight is working against me, but never mind. Just a little bit of... Okay. Okay, well that didn't work. What have I done? That's amazing, that needle didn't even break. Okay. I obviously didn't widen that hole enough for the thread to go through. Just see. Yeah. It's not normally this difficult, really. Okay, just go through a few beads. Seriously. Ugh. Come on. If this fails again, we will just secure it with more glue and snip it off at the top. It's no big deal. It is very secure as it is. Nope, I've just succeeded in breaking my needle. I'm concerned about where that thread came from. Okay, we'll just pop a bit more glue and then we'll just snip it off up here. It's no big deal. As long as we've got this glue. There we go. Just trying to make sure I've got all these untangled and in the right order. That's it. Okay, let me bring this up a bit. Look at all that beautiful shimmer and glimmer. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just like a gigantic tassel. Our little angels there, and our beautiful glass centerpiece. Okay, let me see if I can bring it up. Bring the camera up. Okay, can you see it? Can't see it very well because of the lighting in here, I'm sorry. Anyway, take my word for it. It is gorgeous with glimmer. Well, that was a quick video. Okay, I will put down below all the stuff you need to make this, and I hope you'll give it a try. Okay, bye for now.